Hello, my name is Adant and I'm going to be doing an experiment called blowing up a balloon. But not just blowing up a balloon like normal. I'm going to be blowing up a balloon by using vinegar and baking soda. Things that you need for an experiment are a glass, a baking soda, and vinegar, and it's optional if you want to do food coloring. Funnel and balloon. First, take your glass and vinegar. Pour 1/4 of the vinegar in the glass, and it's okay if it drips. Yeah, and add a little bit of food color. Okay, and then for the second step, take a funnel, take the balloon and wrap it on the funnel, and then take 1 spoon of baking soda and put it inside the funnel. And okay, when you do that, make sure all of the baking soda gets into the balloon. I'm now gonna remove it and make sure the baking soda is inside the balloon. Let's wrap the balloon on the bottle. I gently put the balloon on the glass, and I did not spill any baking soda in the glass yet. Hold the balloon tightly and nothing will happen to your hand. So I'm going to do it. Wow, look at this balloon. I blew this balloon without blowing it without my mouth and an air pressure. And I have used vinegar and baking soda to blow this balloon. Do you know why this balloon blew up? Because when I sealed the glass, I captured all of the air in it. And when I put the vinegar and baking soda, they both mixed up together and created carbon dioxide. And this is why the balloon blew up. And let's see if I remove my hand. Oh, nothing happened. I hope you enjoy how the baking soda and vinegar combined and made carbon dioxide. And bye.